Good morning. Thanks for joining us on AccuWeather Early. I'm Ariella Scalese.
And I'm Azallion. It's Wednesday, August 6th. Here's what we're covering for you this morning.
Across the country, it's like whoop, whoop, whoop. All the different storms are all moving different directions depending on what's fueling them. Yes, I do love a good organizational moment here. Unfortunately, it's been the same areas that have just been dealing with these drenching downpours and flash flooding ongoing across parts of North Carolina.
Some of that rain is moving back into the northeast today, though. It's a little bit more scattered than what we're seeing in the southeast. Then on the other side of the country, we have our next system moving into the northwest. It ultimately will lead to some trouble in the northern plains.
For sure, and we've been back to back of storms. I mean, it's got to be at least the last 2 weeks that we've had this pattern here, all riding north of our upper high that has been bringing so much heat. But these storms, they long-lived since we got on air early this morning. Yeah, we typically expect to see less and less lightning as the storm weakens throughout the morning, and that just hasn't really happened, though we haven't seen a lot of severe thunderstorm warnings. Right to the northeast we go. We got to talk about that wildfire smoke, because that is the other big story that we're tracking. Continuing to see air quality alerts out across some of the Great Lakes states into the northeast. However, we are turning the corner a little bit on the wildfire smoke. We're seeing that's going to stick around for a while, and a lot of this is going to depend a little bit on what happens this weekend. However, let's talk about what to expect now, because we do still have air quality issues. We're not in the clear here, but things have improved. A lot more of us were in the orange yesterday. That's our sensitive category. We even saw some red, mainly increasing. This is a look at all of the smoke that we are seeing. Air quality, though, not too bad. So that's the good news. We've seen some improvement here as well in Southern California since yesterday. We had a newer fire burning yesterday. Welcome back to AccuWeather Early, and thanks for watching on this Wednesday morning. Anna has a riddle.
Oh my God, I do have a riddle. I told you my brain's struggling. I've been on this shift 2 days now.
Yeah.
We're,
welcome. Yeah, welcome to why Bernie and I are the way we are.
That's true. That's true. All right.
At least we have an excuse.
My question for the group: what do subway cars, old boats, and military tanks all have in common? Well, they've all been dumped off the coast of New Jersey on purpose.
Love it. You saw.
Got to take up scuba diving now.
Yes, don't put me down for it, but sure, sounds great. I'm more of a snorkeler. Just, exclusive AccuWeather forecast, 85 degrees, historical average is 92. So the one benefit to this pattern for the southeast, when we hardly get a break in the summer because fronts just come here to die, we are dealing with at least the cooler air mass here. It's still very humid, but at least it's not 90s. AccuWeather real field temperatures into the triple digits for areas with the rain. More reports coming in of flooding. We've seen over 2 inches of rain in the last 24 hours. So flood watches, flood warnings, flood watches. Flooding is either happening or can happen here, and at times we've had flash flood warnings as well, with clusters of rain moving out of North Carolina into Virginia as that low moves farther north here for potential for tropical development. Regardless, it is going to bring us more thunderstorms on the way Friday, but we are watching an area here along the coastline for tropical rain and